So what is true belonging? What do we really belong to? Most essentially, we exist. Our whole lives have their expression in a kind of utter belonging. We are completely inseparably woven into the whole of existence. We are the ocean in this drop. And yet, when we don't see or recognize or feel that, we tend to seek belonging, hope for belonging, try to get a sense of belonging in various, ultimately futile ways. So, with a day of practice on this theme, we'll explore the ways we seek out a kind of partial or incomplete or unsatisfying kind of belonging, the way we try to belong to others, to ideas, and the ways we can settle back into and recognize the implications of the way we already fully belong to life.